Are wheel spacers a good idea?
For the Mustang wheel spacer size really depends on your favorites. Perfect size for Mustang wheel spacers make your car look incredibly nice and keep you safe on the road. 1-inch spacers are one of the most popular options. Choosing a proper set of Ford Mustang wheel spacers is good to prevent any damage to a vehicle's wheel, steering, or body components.
The wheel locks apply a clamping force to secure the spacer and the wheel to the vehicle hub. When the lock nuts are properly tightened, the locks will stretch elastically to keep everything in the right place. Installing wheel spacers will not change this physics. They are perfectly safe when using high-quality wheel spacers and install them properly.
In order to ensure the best ride quality, BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-central rings. The hub-central metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers feed the corresponding hub flap, eliminating any possible gaps. Using such BONOSS hub-centric wheel spacers, there will be less chance of vibration.
That's today's video. If you want to get it BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.